Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is arguably the best pencil pouch for any Pokémon fan out there. The official Pokémon pencil case featuring Pikachu and friends. Whether you're shopping for your kids, looking for a cool school accessory, or just a fan of Pokémon yourself, this pencil case stands out with its fun design and practical features. Right off the bat, this pencil pouch grabs your attention with its vibrant double-sided print. On one side, you get a lively Pikachu design, and on the other, a collection of other popular Pokémon characters. This double-sided artwork isn't just visually appealing but also adds that authentic anime vibe that Pokémon lovers appreciate. Officially licensed by the Pokémon Company, it guarantees genuine quality and design that true fans will recognize. Size-wise, the pencil case measures 20.5 centimeters in length and 10 centimeters in width, making it a perfect fit for most standard pencils, pens, erasers, and other stationery essentials. One of the standout features here is the triple compartment layout. Instead of a single pouch, this case offers 3 separate compartments with 2 durable zippers, allowing you to organize your school supplies effectively. You can easily separate pencils from markers, or keep erasers and sharpeners in their own space, which helps reduce clutter and makes finding what you need quick and hassle-free. Despite its compact size, the pencil case is quite lightweight, weighing just over 3 ounces. So it won't add any unnecessary bulk to your backpack. This makes it an excellent choice for daily school use or even for travel. Kids can carry it effortlessly, and parents will appreciate its durable construction that withstands everyday wear and tear. Another key point is the versatility of this pencil pouch. It's designed for both boys and girls, so the appeal is wide-ranging. Whether you want a gift for a birthday, a special treat, or something to brighten up the new school year, this Pokémon pencil case fits the bill perfectly. It's not just a functional accessory but also a great way to express fandom and personality. Overall, the Pokémon pencil case combines official branding, smart organization, and eye-catching design into a single package. If you're looking for a pencil pouch that balances style and practicality, this triple compartment Pokémon pencil case is definitely one of the best options available today. That's all for this review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.